Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a video that's a little different. I don't think I've ever done one of these on my channel. Yeah, no. So here's for first. Today, I'm going to be doing a shoe review, sneaker review, however you want to, categorize it. I'm going to be doing a review on a shoe company that a lot of people probably haven't heard of. I didn't know about them before until they reached out to me. When they reached out to me, they were so sweet, so nice, easy to cooperate with, and it's only right that I share with you their product. The sponsor of today's video, which is the company that I will be reviewing, is called Tikishoe. Their website is called Tikishoe.ru, and then I also have a coupon code down in my description box below for money off. You can also find their WhatsApp, their website, and one other form of communication down in the description box. But I know you guys are curious, so let's go ahead and get into it. So Tikishoe reached out to me and they said they had some shoes and they wanted me to review them. I've seen a couple of their videos because they sent me some links to them and they were pretty dope, so I went ahead and gave them a try. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing a shoe that's actually, guys, I don't know how they did this, but I am going to be reviewing the off-white Jordans, the canary yellow. Let me just go ahead and pull them out for you. Okay, big baby right here. These are the Air Jordan 1 off-white, and they're in the color canary yellow. Then, guys, I've never had a pair of off-white shoes before. So look at the freaking, yeah. I never even knew off-white shoes came like this. Oh, here's the box that it came in. Of course, Nike Woody Woo. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. On the inside, it comes with a receipt. It's a Hong Kong receipt. Sheesh. And yes, so these shoes were actually supposed to come out in 2020. And for some reason, they decided not to. I think it got pushed back for, whatever reason. Oh, the retail amount for this, y'all, receipts. Yeah, looks expensive. I don't know how they pulled it off because I know they just got sample shoes out, but baby, they too official, too official. Let's go ahead and pull these out. Oh wait, I guess you guys want to see the shoe, how it comes. Oh my gosh, smells like new shoe and everything. Wow. And then it even has the little, oh yeah, too official. Let me go ahead, I'm just gonna take this off. For the sneakerheads out there, y'all know what that was, but I'm not sponsoring them today, so I will not talk about them too much. Let's go ahead and get this camera focused. Okay. So I'm not like a real sneakerhead or anything, so it's not much I can say like, oh, this is the such and such stitching and this is the sole, and like I can't really say too much about that other than this is a good quality shoe. Like, it looks so good and I just don't know how they pulled this off, because the shoe Tikishoe brands is a one-to-one store, so this is a replica shoe, and y'all, they did their thing. They did their thing with this. Like, look at the detail. Oh my gosh. If you want to shop and get you some shoes, okay, Tikishoe is the place to go, okay? Like, that is so awesome. Also in the shoe box, of course, comes the other shoe. And then I also received two laces, orange one and a purple one. On the laces, they do say shoelaces. That's the Off-White brand. Like, that's what they do. I don't even know, like, they put things in parentheses that are obvious, but it's just like the way they style. It's just they swags. I think it's super cool though. Like, these shoes are fine. And I love the pop out of the orange stitching and the blue contrast. What are those colors called that are across each other on the color wheel? I learned this in like art class. It's like complementary colors, like you put them together so they pop out, stand out. They know what they're doing. Then it says Off-White, TM for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. You really got to be certified to rock these shoes. These shoes are so nice. Hold on. I think I'm getting a phone call. Hello? They're so cool. The quality on these shoes is amazing. I love the colorway. The material here. I don't even know how to explain it because I'm not a sneakerhead, but it's so cool. How would I wear this? That's what I can talk about. How would I rock these, okay? If I had these, I'd probably rock this with some black jeans, okay? These shoes, some black jeans, probably a black shirt and like a white puffer coat. That outfit right there would be so fine. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I'm trying to make sure like you guys can see the right colorway for these shoes. Just look at them. I'm trying to do my own makeshift like turning board. That's so funny. But this is definitely Off-White. I never really understood like the style of Off-White. Like it's janky looking on purpose. Like, you know, look at this. But that's what Off-White does. And look at the stitching, like, you know. That's just what they do. But the shoe is cool. Like it's really cool. I really like it. And I just love the smell of new shoes. And they definitely do fit like they're supposed to. Really raw, really real. Like, come on. Come on. Another outfit idea for these shoes is since it has like a little blue, maybe you can do like, since it's winter, you can't really do the all white fit or nothing like that now. You could probably do like some black jeans, a blue shirt. Dang, I don't even know, but these shoes are lit. Oh my gosh, these shoes are lit. Let me just show them to you again. If you're feeling these shoes, make sure you shop with Tikishoe so you can get your shoes early, okay? Because not too many people have these, okay? I'm pretty sure they're still like sampling these out or whatever. So that's super cool. If you want to be dope and get the exclusives, baby, shop with Tikishoe, okay? Just make sure you shop for them. All right, but yeah, that's all for this shoe review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you shop with Tikishoe for your one-on-one shoes, and I will see you in my next video.